Is RTL, which determines the chart is rendered right to left or left to right. Options are true or false, where true is that it is rendered right to left and false otherwise. Let's take a look at row 7. So let's delete this and let's use RTL, and the value is true. And notice the graph flipped. This is because it is reading the values from right to left. If we type in false instead, then notice it's an upward trend where we read the value from left to right, that is from January 13th to January 15th. So therefore, by default, the line graph reads from left to right, as if you remove this, you will see that the line graph reads it from left to right by default. In other words, the default value for RTL is false. The syntax when using the second parameter is, when defining the attribute, we need to have the attribute name and the value for the attribute in a pair, separated by a comma. Multiple attributes are separated by semicolons. And hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.